Hey everyone, it is Friday, October 29th. What's the time right now, Ken?
The time
What's the frequency, Kenneth?
is 6:15 in the evening.
And would you happen to know the temperature?
It is 13 degrees Celsius.
And can you hold my camera for a second? I realize I am still donning my mask. Face reveal.
Face reveal. I already took mine off.
All right, so I just recorded a collaboration walk with Ken. A couple of them, actually. One from Dundas Square over to the West Queen West neighborhood. And then that one will be on my channel. Then we did one from Bathurst and Queen that headed east along Richmond Street to Yonge. And then we went south down the front and over to Union Station here.
Yeah.
So I thought I would fire up a third video since I've still got some battery left and we've got some nice rain and a pretty cool sky. And we're gonna walk north up Bay Street here. And then we're gonna go say goodbye to Ken when he gets to his favorite store.
That's right. I'm going to go to Popeye Supplements. Gotta get some protein powder.
Spinach?
Spinach, yeah. I'll get some. Just because you said that.
I'm more of a kale kind of guy. And then from there, I'm just gonna walk over to the Eaton Center where I gotta pick up an iPhone I dropped off earlier today. So fun times on whatever channel I end up uploading this to. I don't know if it'll be on the Strides channel. Maybe I'll put it on the Stumbles. Maybe I'll upload it as a members video just to say thanks to all the channel and Patreon members out there. Who really knows?
It's rush hour in the financial district.
With rain and twilight sunset action. And Ken.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I've got more keywords in this title than in your video. When you do what we do and upload daily, it's always nice to have some extra content in your back pocket, just in case you feel like giving yourself some time off.
Yeah.
And my
Like
Propel
tomorrow.
brand umbrella is handling this wind like a champ. Sorry,
Mine's having trouble.
I noticed you were struggling.
Mine's having a little difficulty. But yeah, tomorrow if I don't do a live stream, I can just take the day off because I have 3 videos in the can now.
So, ironically, this is my second video today walking from Union Station up to the Apple Store at the Eaton Center. I recorded one this morning where I went through the path. And I was thinking, since I gotta go there anyways and it's raining and it's kind of a nice time of night, I might as well make another video. And that's like, well, Ken's right here.
Yeah.
We might as well make it another duet.
Got to capitalize on these moments, you know. How was the path today? Was it any busier?
It was quite desolate.
Yeah.
I feel bad for all the non-big corporate business owners
Right.
and their employees,
Yeah.
or the employees of every place, but I can't really say my heart bleeds when one of the bigger stores suffers a bit of a loss. I probably wouldn't tattle on someone if I saw them stealing from a Walmart. Here's Wellington Street West. There's a look at the old Walrus.
What's that place all about, the Walrus? It's just a
It's just a big bar, yeah.
Yeah.
And it's kind of got another level to it, I think. I went to a few corporate events there.
Okay. And if I have a slightly Whoa!
Well, this
I was going to say, if I have a slightly uncomfortable look on my face sometimes, it's because both of my socks are completely soaked.
And your umbrella's a bit on the shabby side.
Yeah. It's been taking a beating this year.
There's First Canadian Place. I grew up as a kid always kind of mesmerized by the tallest building in the city. And one day I got to work there. And I had my job interview way above the 50th floor in a corner of the building, and the entire time I was just staring at the window.
Yeah, I would have too.
And I remember asking the woman interviewing me, who later became my boss, like, don't you just like look out the window all day? And I could see her thinking, is this guy gonna get anything done if he works here? Because that company had the whole floor. They had several floors actually.
Yeah.
And I just couldn't get over that. I was like, holy shit. This is my dream right now. If you went to the kid version of me and told them I had a chance to work there.
Goes to show you, not a lot of people are like us who are mesmerized by tall buildings and views and things like that.
A lot of people think they're evil. They cast shadows. They're symbols of corporate domination.
Yeah,
domination. And I just think they're really cool feats of engineering.
Yeah, same.
I'm also a city person. I believe in density.
Yeah.
Done smartly.
Yeah, me too.
Like our subway is tragically underfunded and not reflective of the size that Toronto really is.
No.
I like how they've started adding the streetcar lines to the maps on the subway as if to give it the appearance that there's more to it.
It does, right? Yeah. You look at it and glance at it and think, wow, that's a pretty good system, you know?
They really should have named Line 1, and Line 2. Because it's really two
That's
north
true.
and south lines, if you think. Like,
I
if you
mean-
spread that out, that must be one of the longest subway lines in the world.
Oh, yeah, I mean, most people consider it two separate lines.
Yeah,
You know,
if
so-
I texted you, I'm going south on Line 1, or even worse, north on Line 1, because they don't converge,
Right.
you'd have no idea what the hell I was talking about.
Right.
So are you going to the beautiful city of Vaughan? Or are you going up to Finch? All right, we've arrived at Adelaide.
And there's the top secret Bay Adelaide Center.
Oh no! That's the first time that's ever happened.
Oh, dang. Donnie's umbrella just flipped inside out.
My Rappel brand umbrella has failed for the first time.
Mine only does it about once every 30 seconds, so hey. There you go.
Right in the bike lane.
Yep.
Good driver. There's always a nice set of cars at the St. Regis.
Yeah, it's always a fancy place to look into as you walk past.
Formerly the Trump Tower. There's Reds. And there's a place where Ken was told not to film even though he was standing outside.
Yeah. 'Cause those buildings are top secret.
Hey, it looks like someone stole some gloves from Winners and dropped them.
Oh,
They still
dang.
have like their security tag on them.
Maybe they're being chased. Although I don't think so. I think you're allowed to just walk out with stolen goods now and no one can do anything about it.
Well, I think, oh, this umbrella's failing me. I think the retailers have instructed their employees, like, if you're not there as security, like, don't
Don't touch. Yeah.
call security. Like, this is not your job to tangle
Right.
with.
You can actually get fired if you try to apprehend a shoplifter as a store associate.
What if you
That's
just
a
like,
big no-no.
what if you just grab the goods back?
I'm not sure what they would do about that. That might be a gray area.
Well, there's liabilities there. Like, even the security is limited, but they've been trained for that. Whereas when you're just a general employee, the store can't take responsibility for what you do if they haven't trained you on like apprehending someone.
Right.
And why would they? You're like a retail employee.
Plus, it's not worthwhile anyway. What do you care
Yeah.
as an employee, you know?
I remember working at a New York Fry's when I was in high school, and someone came up to the counter, and this guy was like, "Yo, you're gonna hook me up, all right?" And being the smartass that I am, looked up at the menu and I said, "I don't see any free items there, do you?" And he like jumped over the counter and clapped his hands
Holy
and
shit.
made like a very aggressive sound. And I'm just sitting there on the other side of the counter with my arms crossed. At this point, there's 3 employees standing next to me. It's all like, I don't know if this is a very smart method of.
Oh, wow. Was that in Eaton Center?
That was at Square One.
Square One, okay. Right, in your youth, you lived in Mississauga.
I was a fancy Mississauga boy. There's Kraft. I'm surprised but glad that place has stayed open.
Oh, it's still there, yeah.
Yeah, it's huge and it's packed generally. All right, so it's time to say goodbye to Mr. Ken Continuum.
All right, well,
I'm gonna go
thanks for-
stand under this thing here.
Yeah, good idea.
I need to get my microphone back.
Thanks for having me, Mr. Strides.
All right, care to declip the mic. We're using my fancy wireless mics on this one. And I will continue my journey to the Apple Store. Let's turn the mic off. So, if you want to see the videos that we recorded, there'll be one on the Johnny Strides channel. And part 2 along Richmond Street will be on Mr. Continuum's channel.
Yep, and watch out for Johnny's video on my channel.
Sweet. Well, I hope they have the spinach that you're looking for.
We'll see.
All right, sir. Have
Right,
a
Mr.
wonderful
Strides.
weekend.
Yeah, you too.
Can you see any water on the lens? Any drops?
One tiny little droplet.
All right, let me
Teeny tiny one.
use this
Okay, you're good.
lens-approved Kleenex to wipe it off. All right, sir. Have a wonderful weekend. A happy Halloween.
Thanks, you too.
And we'll do it again next month.
And now he will continue.
I continue. All right, have a good one.
Okay, bye.
Well, that was fun. It wasn't raining so much on the video that I recorded. And then during Ken's video, it started raining and he got the nice twilight action. And I got a little jealous, so we ended at Union Station. And I was just thinking, hey, I could probably sneak in a video here. It's always fun to get out and make more content. So it's north up the east side of Yonge Street. I'm going to be popping into the Eaton Center. That's just in another block. And moseying on over to the Apple Store for the second time in a video today. Then I got to remember to film the second part of that video. And it's back to Richmond Street. I think both the kids' shoes got pretty soaked on those walks. And I say that just because for the first time, I felt my left foot get a little wet. And here we are at Queen West. There's a streetcar replacement bus. So once the light changes, I'll be heading on over to the entrance, just off in that direction. Maybe I should stand so close to the street there. I don't see a walk sign, but that worked. Alright, I'm going to have to slide my mask on. I'm just going to do that right here. There we go, all set to go inside. And I think the Apple Store is just ahead here. Oh, they don't have those plastic things to slide your wet umbrella into. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this walk from Union Station, north up Bay, over Adelaide, to Popeyes, where we said goodbye to Ken. So thanks to Ken for hanging out for a bit on this one. Now I'm gonna head into the Apple Store. Thanks to all the channel members for their support. If you do wish to support the channel, there are links to channel membership and Patreon. Thanks to the patrons as well in the description. I also have an Instagram account. All right, time to go get this phone. Thank you for watching, guys. And I will catch you on the next one.